Hi, rock stars. This is Miss Rogers, and today we are going to explore nonfiction text features. Some examples of nonfiction text features are table of contents, which tells us where we can locate information, photographs, which are pictures so that we can know what something really looks like, captions, which further explain photographs, the glossary, which gives us definitions of keywords, and diagrams, which labels pictures. But today we are going to pay special attention to headings. Headings are like mini titles within a text to help give you an idea of what you are going to read about. Today I am going to teach you that you can predict what you are going to learn by reading the headings. Let's go ahead and head over to a book so we can practice this skill. Okay, rock stars, so let's look at the heading on this page. I see that it says enormous appetites. And I know that enormous is just another word for really big. And appetites, I know I've heard that word when people are talking about how much they eat or if they're really hungry. So I'm thinking that enormous appetites has something to do with how much that the elephants eat. Um, so maybe we are going to learn about what elephants eat and how much they eat. Let's read to find out. Now, let's begin reading. Elephants are herbivores. They only eat plants such as roots, grasses, fruit, and bark. Elephants need to eat a lot to fuel their massive bodies, up to 300 pounds per day. That's like eating 1,200 hamburgers. The Mali elephant's habitat is the woodland area near watering holes. So, see, my heading did help me predict what I was going to read because I remember thinking that enormous appetites were going to give me a clue that I was probably going to read about what elephants eat, which are plants such as roots, grasses, fruit, and bark, and then also how much they will eat, which it says right here they eat up to 300 pounds per day. Let's try reading the heading on our next page. Okay, so now I need some help, rock stars. I see that this heading says baby elephants. What are some things that you think we might learn on this page? That's right, we might learn about how much baby elephants weigh, maybe what they look like, maybe what they do and what they eat. Let's begin reading to find out what we might learn about baby elephants. When baby elephants are born, they weigh about 200 pounds. That's as much as a large adult man. Newborn elephants are 3 feet tall, about the height of a sofa. Baby elephants are called calves. They drink their mother's milk until they are 4 or 5 years old. Calves might suck on their trunks for comfort, just like babies suck their thumbs. So as you can see, rock stars, we learned a lot about baby elephants based on the heading. We learned how much baby elephants weigh. We learned how tall they are. We learned what they are called, what they drink, and also some habits that they have. Did you notice how we used the heading to make predictions about what we were going to learn? So the heading on this page is Elephant Talk. Now it's your turn. Think about all of the things that we could possibly learn about elephant talk. Now it's time to begin reading. Elephants use different parts of their bodies to gather and send information. They use their mouths and trunks to grumble, growl, and trumpet. This is how they talk to each other. And look, right here it says elephants can make more than 25 separate sounds that mean different things. Elephants use their trunks to smell if other animals are nearby. If they sense danger, they call to each other. Then the adults circle around the young elephant to protect them. Sniffing out danger. Scientists stay downwind from elephants when they study them. Do you know why? Because if they don't, the elephants will smell their scent and run off. Elephants use their feet to feel sound vibrations through the earth. Scientists think they can feel sounds such as movement of other herds occurring up to 20 miles away. Elephants use their trunks to greet each other and show affection. Sometimes they hook their trunks together in a kind of elephant hug. Okay, rock stars, so we learned all about elephant talk. We learned how they show affection, how they use their feet to feel sound vibrations, how they sense danger, and how they have to call out to each other. And then also how they have to use their bodies to gather and send information, and then the sounds that they make to communicate. Did you predict that we would learn any of these things? Hopefully you did, because all of this information that we learned had everything to do with elephant talk. So remember, rock stars, today we learned that you can use headings to help you predict what you are going to read. So today and every day as you are reading your nonfiction books, I want you to pay very close attention to the headings to help you make a prediction of what you are going to learn. All right, rock stars, off you go. See you soon.